Hi, welcome to my garden. Christmas is coming, and if you've been along for the ride, you saw me take these basil, split them apart, grow them out in the garden, clip them back, repot them. I went ahead and put these in the house over that cold, and they started getting a little leggy. I probably should have done this sooner, but we're going to do it now. Found some nice little 6-inch containers. This is going to be pretty quick and easy. Yeah, that needed to be up potted. So I put a little soil down in the bottom. I'm just going to center that up. Now what I'm using for soil, cheated, I've got a little bit of commercial potting mix along with my compost. But these are going inside. Just like with all containers, once your plants start growing for a while, you are going to want to feed them. And just snug that down in there. With most plants, you don't want to get soil up above the crown, but on basil, you're pretty safe. Now this is a really good example where we've been pruning it, it keeps bushing out, and that's what we want. We want a nice, bushy, healthy plant. But it also gives us some opportunities. So what we're looking for a nice little Y where the leaves have split. It gives us enough it'll give us enough to root, and it'll also allow this to split. So right here, what I chose is right here where we had two coming out and they're also splitting. I took it right above there. We're also bushing out just above that. I'm going to go to a nice little fork and I'm going to clip that out. I'm going to take a couple of the leaves off and we're going to make another basil plant. If you were with me when I got the original ones early this spring, I went ahead and separated them. We pruned those up. We started this one and the rest of these. Now we're starting 3 more out of there. So basil is one of those kind of plants you can just keep growing. And this will make a really nice Christmas present. I should have had them up potted a little sooner if you looked at those roots. So there's one. I got a few more to do. But while we're here, instead of me boring you with this, let's take a look at our orange that we started from seed from those little sour little oranges. But it's a very cool plant. I've never grown it. I've never been able to propagate an orange. So we got some nice roots there. So I have some soil down in the bottom of here. I'll do the same thing. Just kind of center it up. Now this one I'm not going to put soil up on the crown. I'm just going to backfill in around it. Now all of our containers have a little pan on the bottom. I'll give all these a little drink here in just a second. And that's really all you got to do to up pot a plant. Put a little soil down in the bottom. It's branched out there, but it's pretty much a single. And it's got roots coming out the bottom, and I'm going to pinch those off because they're going to tear. But look how root bound that is. That's ready to go in a container. So just center that up. Now I don't know if it's better to prune them before you up pot them or prune them after, but I'm pruning them after. We've done this several times, so I don't think it really matters. Now this one's got a branch under this leaf. It's got a branch right here. You'll see it when I clip this out. See, it's got 2 nice branches right there. It's got a couple really nice branches here already. I'm just going to take that first one off. The only reason I'm taking these leaves off is it exposes that node where the roots will generate. And I'm going to do 2. I'm going to go up 2, and that'll give it a really nice root stock when it's We've got a really nice stem, and it won't take very many days for that to start rooting. That's going to make a nice little Christmas present also. And just like that, 9 days of Christmas. I guess it's supposed to be 12 days of Christmas, isn't it? Anyhow, we got quite a few nice little plants that we're going to be able to give out. We've got the start on the next generation. You can do this too. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about the deep mulch garden, click that link and I'll meet you right back in the garden. Until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.